Most people get this wrong. They assume Rapid Pay America is just a typical payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a versatile financial platform offering early wage access, short-term installment options, and spending insights designed to help users manage their finances smarter. Here's how it works. Rapid Pay America allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is ideal for covering emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent purchases without turning to high-interest credit cards. Additionally, the app lets certain payments be split into smaller installments, making budgeting more manageable and reducing financial stress. The app is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. You can track advances, monitor repayment schedules, and even review spending insights. Push notifications help you avoid missed payments and fees, keeping your finances under control. The downside: overusing Rapid Pay America can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can result in fees, so it's best used as a short-term solution rather than a long-term financial plan. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications active for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Rapid Pay America in 2026 is practical, flexible, and helpful, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and tips to keep your finances in control.